Hi everyone, welcome back to Cracking the GRE Math Subject Test. This is Calculus 1 and we're on question number 47. So in this question we're given this function, e to the x squared minus x, and we're asked to find the coefficient of x cubed in the Taylor series expansion of this function. So I'll just remind you that the Taylor series expansion is the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of the nth derivative of f at 0 divided by n factorial. So in order to find the coefficient of x cubed, this is times x to the n. So we're going to have to find the third derivative of this function, evaluated at 0, and then divide by 3 factorial. Alright, well, the first derivative of f is going to be, I think, e to the x squared minus x, and then we'll use the chain rule. It's going to be 2x minus 1. Okay, that's not so bad. The second derivative of x is going to get a little bit hairier. We're going to have to use the chain rule and the product rule. So the product rule will tell us to take the derivative of e to the x squared minus x, so we'll get e to the x squared minus x times 2x minus 1 again. And all of this has to be multiplied by 2x minus 1. And then we're going to add e to the x squared minus x times the derivative of 2x minus 1, which is 2. Let's simplify this. If we factor out an e to the x squared minus x, then we'll have left over this 2x minus 1 squared. That's going to be like 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. And then we'll have this plus 2 as well. So altogether it's going to be 4x squared minus 4x plus 3. Alright, now let's differentiate one more time. So again, e to the x squared minus x is going to be e to the x squared minus x times the 2x minus 1. And all of this is going to be multiplied by 4x squared minus 4x plus 3. And we're going to add to that e to the x squared minus x times the derivative of 4x squared minus 4x plus 3, which is 8x minus 4. I'm not going to simplify this anymore. I'm just going to plug in 0 to get my f triple prime of 0. So e to the 0 is going to be just 1. And 2 times 0 minus 1, that's going to be negative 1. And 4 times 0 minus 4 times 0 plus 3 is just going to be 3. And then we're going to add to that e to the 0, which is 1 times 8 times 0 is 0, minus 4 is negative 4. So what do we get? This will be a negative 3, and a negative 4 makes a negative 7. And remember, we have to divide that by n factorial. So our coefficient is going to be negative 7 divided by 3 factorial, which is 6. And so our answer is C.